Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Brightside. I am Mara, and I am very happy to see you today. In this lesson, you will learn how to introduce yourself in English. We will learn how to talk about your name, your age, your family, your school, your hobbies, and many other simple things. But today, we are not going to learn from a textbook. Instead, we are going to learn through a real conversation. We will meet two different students from different places, learn useful expressions, and practice natural English. And don't forget to pause the video and try to answer before our guest does. And let's go to meet our first guest. Everyone, please say hello to Molly.
Hello everyone, my name is Molly. I am very happy to be here today.
Welcome, Molly. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. I'm a little exciting.
Little exciting?
Yes, I am excited because this is my first time here.
Ah, I understand. We say I am excited, not I am exciting.
Oh, I am excited, thank you.
Perfect. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Let's start. Can you introduce yourself?
Of course. Hello everyone, my name is Molly Brown. Nice to meet you.
Very good. How old are you?
I am 12-year-old.
Almost perfect. We say years with an S because it is plural.
I am 12 years old.
Great. Where are you from?
I am from Australia. I live in Sydney.
That sounds nice. Can you tell us about your family?
I have 4 people in my family. My mom, my dad, my brother, and me.
What is your brother's name?
His name is Ethan. He is 16 years old.
Do you get along with him?
Yes, we play games and watch movies together. He is funny and he makes me laugh.
That's good to hear. What grade are you in?
I am in grade 6. It is my last year in primary school.
That sounds exciting. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English and math.
I like math too.
And what about English?
It is my favorite language too. Tell me, what do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books, drawing animals, and watching English videos.
Perfect. Do you have a favorite sport?
Yes, I like swimming.
I like swimming too, but I prefer basketball.
Really? I don't like basketball.
Really? Why not?
Because I am quite short and I am not very good at it.
That's okay. Not everyone likes the same sport. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is you. What about you?
My favorite color is lavender. And what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta with cheese and tomato sauce.
That sounds delicious. What do you want to be in the future, Molly?
I want to be a vet. I love animals and I want to help them.
Very good. Before we finish, do you have a message for our viewers?
Yes, if you learn English, don't be afraid of mistakes. Keep practicing every day and you will improve.
Excellent. Thank you, Molly.
Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Thank you so much, Molly. You were a wonderful guest today.
Thank you. I had a lot of fun.
I think our viewers enjoyed meeting you too.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Molly. And now let's meet our new guest. Everyone, please welcome Ryan.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan. I'm very happy to be here today.
Welcome, Ryan. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. I'm a little nervous, but excited.
Don't worry, you are doing great. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's start. Can you introduce yourself?
Of course. Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Carter. Nice to meet you.
Very good. How old are you?
I am 15 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
Oh, Canada. That's interesting. I have a friend from Canada. Do you live in a big city or a small city?
I live in a big city called Vancouver. It is near the sea.
That's interesting. My friend also lives in Canada, but she lives in Toronto. Have you ever been there?
Yes, I have been to Toronto. It is very big and very busy.
So Vancouver and Toronto are different?
Yes, Vancouver is more calm and Toronto is more busy.
That's interesting. Now tell us about your family.
There are 4 people in my family: my mom, my dad, my older brother, and me.
What is your brother's name?
His name is Logan. He is 18 years old.
Do you get along with him?
Most of the time, yes. Sometimes we argue, but that is normal. We also play football and watch movies together.
That sounds normal for brothers.
Yes,
What grade are you in?
I am in grade 9.
Do you like school this year?
Yes, I do. Some subjects are difficult, but I enjoy learning new things.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science. I am very good in science.
Almost right. We say good at science, not good in science.
Oh, I am very good at science.
That's right. Do you find science difficult?
Sometimes it is a little difficult, but I enjoy learning how things work.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
I like playing football, playing games, and listening to music.
Sounds like you stay busy. And what is your dream job?
I want to be an engineer in the future.
What kind of engineer would you like to be?
I want to be a civil engineer. I would like to build houses and bridges.
That's an exciting goal.
Thank you.
Before we finish, do you have a message for our viewers?
Yes. Study hard, but also enjoy your time. Spend time with your family and friends, and don't forget to make time for your studies too.
That's a great message. Thank you so much, Ryan. You were a great guest today.
Thank you. I had a lot of fun.
I'm happy to hear that.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ryan. Have a great day. And thank you to all our wonderful viewers for being with us today. Now it is your turn. Write your introduction in the comments. Tell us your name, your age, where you are from, and what you like to do in your free time. If you enjoyed this lesson, share it with your friends so you can learn together. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. To all who stayed until the end, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you would like to learn in the next video. Goodbye everyone and keep shining.